Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the option device care, which is right here. Then let's tap on app protection and tap on turn on. Tap on turn on and then scan phone. And now your device will basically scan itself, specifically the apps, in order to find any kind of viruses or malware or problems. And after that it will show you the results. So be patient and let it scan everything, so you will be sure that everything is alright. Just wait a second. Alright, we've got it, and as you can see we've got the information that no threats has been detected and everything is alright. Of course, if it will find any kind of problems, it will show you the information about it and you will be able to take relevant actions to get rid of the risks. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.